To enable or disable the deleted characters aloud feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap spoken assistant. Tap speak keyboard input aloud. If this menu is still off, tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then tap the on off switch next to read deleted characters aloud to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is enabled. To see how this feature works while it's on, open an app where you can type something. Type something and then delete it. You will hear your phone will read its character you delete aloud.
U T T delete, U delete, space delete, Y delete, R delete, T delete, space delete.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.